To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then tap on the settings gear icon beside the search icon. Swipe up to scroll down and locate the Your Activity section. Then tap on Activity Log. Then tap the drop-down icon next to Connections to reveal additional options. Next, tap the drop-down icon next to Friends. From the newly appeared menu, tap on Removed Friends. You will then see a list of friends you've unfriended or removed from your account. You will also see the date you removed each friend. This helps you keep track of when each connection was removed, and if you removed them mistakenly, you can add them again. You can also delete any specific record by tapping the three dots beside it, then selecting Delete. So that's how you can find friends you've unfriended on Facebook.